Students, next topic is crafts. The manufacturing of cloth became an important industry with the passage of time. There were famous textile production centers such as Varanasi in the north and Madurai in the south. Both men and women worked in these centers. Each village had potters, weavers, dyers, metal workers, carpenters, blacksmiths, goldsmiths, garland makers, basket makers, and other craftsmen. Although craftsmen lived in villages, specific crafts developed in areas where the required raw materials were available. Gradually, these areas became associated with such crafts, and the concentration of craftsmen developed into towns and expanded further to become commercial centers. Next is increase in trading. As a result of better agricultural production and the growth of crafts, there were a lot of extra goods. Villages supplied these surplus goods to the towns. These goods were either used by the townspeople or they were sent to different regions. This led to trade. Merchants and traders participated in both internal and external trade. Trade links developed between the north and the south. India also traded with the Roman Empire. Use of coins. The increased use of money enhanced trade and commerce. Archaeologists have unearthed thousands of coins belonging to this period. They are called punch-marked coins. The earliest coins comprised of flat pieces of silver or copper or irregular shape. Coins were not inscribed but had a number of punch marks. Emergence of guilds. Many craft persons and merchants now formed associations known as shrenis. These shrenis of craftspersons provided training, procured raw material, and distributed the finished product. Then shrenis of merchants organized the trade of these products. Shrenis also served as banks where rich men and women deposited money. This was invested and part of the interest was returned or used to support religious institutions such as monasteries. Now, trade routes. Bharuch in Gujarat was a major seaport. The Greeks referred to it as Barigaza. Ships went from Bharuch to Babylon via the Persian Gulf carrying Himalayan plants, ivory, agate, silk, cotton, and perfume. Imports to Bharuch included wine, copper, tin, lead, coral, topaz, etc. Jataka tales describe ships travelling from Benares to Patliputra and further to Champa. From there, they travelled to Ceylon, that is Sri Lanka, and Malay, that is Malaysia.